Welcome to this video, Gold Trading Strategy. I'll be giving you the full breakdown of every single thing that happened last week on Gold Chart and how 95% of traders missed this particular entry. And also before the end of this video, I'm going to be giving the full analysis of what is probably going to happen next week. So watch this video to the end so you don't miss next gold move. So let me delete all this, and then the first thing you have to understand in chart, just like you have to understand the direction that price is going to on higher time frame. And then if you share the time frame right now that I'm using is daily time frame. So okay, let's just go to like a weekly time frame. Let's start from there. So weekly time frame all week. So on weekly time frame, you can see that price is going what's on a bullish trend from here, forming expansion and retracement. We have expansion here, we have retracement, we have expansion, then price outward to form retracement. Can you see after that price outside to keep moving what on a bullish trend to go above this previous high here? Can you see price out to go above this high? So it all depends. So let's just go back to like our daily time frame. So daily time frame, let me show you guys something there. So on daily time frame now, you can see we have a lot of information here more than weekly time frame. So you can see the price end up breaking this high here. What's responsible for this break? Let me just draw it. So you can see price end up breaking this high. Price broke this high here. So what's responsible for the break is this order block here. So I'm going to make use of this order block here to enter this movement, to catch this particular movement. The reason why we're using this other block is the one that broke this previous high here, and then the reason why I'm not using this high, the low doesn't break any single low. You can see that this low here, this high, the low broke this previous low here. Can you see? It was this movement that broke this low, and then end up breaking it above. So price return back to inside the other block. Price not respecting this particular order block. So hope you guys understand that. Check here also, price was going all the way bearish, just like lower time frame. You can see some bearish structure there. Price going bearish. You have expansion there. You have what retracement. There you have what expansion. So price breaking this high. Can you see? When price broke this, what's responsible for the break of this? And let me delete this. And let me use arrow. So what's responsible for this break here? It was this order block. So you have to mark this order block out. So after marking it out, we're on daily time frame. So you have to go to lower time frame to reduce the order block, the size of the order block because of your loss. So it's good to give which ratio. So I'm going to go to 4 hour time frame, then you're gonna see a lot of information on 4 hour time frame. You can see that price. Okay, let me delete this. On 4 hour time frame, you can see that the same particular high that broke this high, and then this particular movement end up breaking a lot of highs. Can you see? It was this movement that broke this high. It was this movement that broke this high. It was this movement that broke this high also, and then it was this movement that broke this high. So this one made this order block very strong. And then if you check 4 hour time frame, you can see we have a new order block inside. So you're going to reduce our order block. So you're going to make use of this 4 hour time frame order block. So let's just go to 2 hour time frame. We can also reduce it. So 2 hour time frame. On 2 hour time frame right there, you can see it's the same movement that end up breaking all this particular high that I mentioned earlier. So you're going to make use of the 2 hour time frame order block. Okay, let's just make use of the body to the wick. So that's just for that. So you can see that price eventually return back inside this. So from here, you can to set up your entry and then your stop loss. And also, if you check what's happening, let me just set entry. So you're gonna set your stop loss because price is not going to go below it. And also, if you have to set up your take profit, you can eventually set up your take profit in the previous high here because price is gonna go above it. So you're gonna set your take profit here. And also, if you share this one ratio 25, but if you want to make which ratio, you can go back to a 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. It all depends. But when I get there, I will do example on it. How to go to a lower time frame to have a very big ratio. So I'm going to be doing that some, but let me just measure some stuff here before I leave this here. So you can see that price end up consolidating from highs, some lows, some highs, some lows, and every single thing. So if you want to be catching all this single move, it's gonna be possible, but it's going to be a very short time trade because on higher time frame is telling us price is going on a bullish trend. I mean using a weekly time frame. So when we understand our price is going what's on a bullish trend, so every single thing you have to like to be finding in the chart how to build what a bullish trend. We know how to trade against this trend, but if you want to trade against the trend, it's just like a very short time trade of which I guess like to take your profits quickly, you understand? So that's just for that. So if you shake it right now, price end up tapping into our other block, and then most of the thing I do is just like I hold this other point of interest. So after getting my point of interest, because I can't make use of this big loss size. This big loss level is very big for me. This is more than I think 640 pips, 64 pips. Understand? So if I'm risking like if I'm using one loss size to enter into this trade, if the trade end up going against me, I'm going to like to lose $640.9. Understand? So I'm going to lose that. So I'm going to like to use these losses. I would like to go back down to like a lower time frame to find my entry so I can catch the big move, and also my risk reward ratio is going to like to be very high. So to do that, you have to like to go to like I think on 12 time frame. So let's just go to like 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes time from now, we have to study this and let me delete this. So let's just keep this in mind. These are risk reward, which is 25 ratios, 25 ratio, one ratio 25. So let's keep this in mind. Then let me show you what is going to happen. So yes, so if you study this area here, you have to like wait for what a break of structure. The same thing that happened there on higher time frame, on 4-hour time frame, you have to like to be expecting it to happen also on 15 minutes time frame to indicate that price is truly going what's on a bullish trend. So right here you can see, okay, let me press this so you can see clearly. So if you check here, price was going all the way bullish uptrend, then downtrend. So price ended up breaking this previous high here. So price ended up breaking this high here. You can see that price broke this high, and the what's responsible for the break, we have this single other block here. Even though price doesn't return back to this other block, so it's possible for you to miss this particular trade if you don't use this very big trade. And then most of the time, you have to understand the reason why price is doing what it's doing. You have to understand the reason why price have to come into the other block. And then if you check the eye, we have some liquidity above. So you can see we have liquidity here. I'm just have liquidity here. Price also like to go below this low, and also you have another liquidity here. So immediately price start this liquidity, you have to like to enter into the market. And then if you're waiting for price to eventually come into your other block, you can just use this one any single time. Like if price doesn't come back to your other block, immediately price break this last liquidity, you have to like to study the market to see if it's going to give what another entry, probably on 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute, you understand? So we are on 15 minutes time frame right now. So let's just go to like 5 minutes time frame. So we understand that price is going to like to take this liquidity out. So let me just delete this one. So we understand that price is going to take this liquidity out, and the price is going to respect this other other block on 5 minutes. That price is going to respect, going to like to make use of that 5 minutes other block, because the reason why price is coming all the way down is just like to take this particular liquidity. Then once price has done what you want to do, it will keep on going what's in the direction that I want to go to. So let's just check 5 minutes time frame now. So you're on 5 minutes, and then you have marked out our liquidity. So let's just wait for it to load. So we have marked out this liquidity level, and then under it you have what other block. I mentioned something earlier that what is responsible for the break of structure. What broke this structure here is this particular low on 5 minutes. And then you also like to set up what your entry using set up your entry, and then using this level as what your stop loss. So let me delete this liquidity line I draw earlier. I hope you understand the reason why I'm using this other block, and then the reason why I'm not using the full other block, just because of liquidity here. So once price tap this liquidity, it's going to like to tap me in, and then immediately price tap me in, price is going to like to be all the way bullish. And then the second reason I use it is just like this is what is responsible for this break of structure here. Is the other block responsible for it? If I go to like 3 minutes time frame, you're gonna see a clear other block there. So but let's just wait it, and then price end up tapping into this and then taking this loss. So you're gonna like to set up what your entry, then set up your stop loss using this. So actually, I'm not really expecting price to come all the way on this 15 minutes order block, because what actually broke this, it was 3 minutes time frame. You understand what I mean? And then this moment actually broke some lows here. Also, you can see this low. It was this particular moment that broke it, and then this low also. It was this particular moment that broke it. I mean this low. You can see it was this moment, and then this low. It was this moment that broke it. So whatever broke this high is a break of structure. It's like to be responsible for where price is going to return back to, and then it's going to like to hold the price. So right now, let's just share the ratio, and then you can see the former one. Sorry, you can see the former one. If I also like to use one of those sites, I'm going to lose, I think, $600 plus. But right now, if you have to like to use more standard loss size, I'm going to lose $447 if price go against me, so I can still get this. So what we're gonna be doing next, just like let's just get the ratio. The former ratio is 1:25. So let me just go back to like a higher time frame so I can increase this size. So after this, I'll give you what you're going to like to be expecting on gold next week. So you won't miss the entry. So let me just go to like 2 hour time frame. On 2 hour time frame right now, so you're gonna set what our entry, the same place we set our entry using 2 hour time frame before. So I'm expecting price to get this high. Okay, I'm expecting price to get to this high, so I'm going to like to set up what my stop loss and my take profit there. I take profit there using what 5 minutes. So if you got this entry using 5 minute time frame, so you're going to make ratio of 1:107. Can you see 1:107.78? So if you're risking $100 for this particular trade, you're going to make not less than $10,700. So I hope you understand the logic behind you making a very huge profit in a single move. So I appreciate if you guys can subscribe to this channel and like this video for showing you all these strategy using a higher time frame order block as your POI, and then going down to like a lower time frame, finding entry, and then to cash a very big move, and then to make huge profit. You understand? Just imagine you're risking like $100 or $50 or something. Imagine the amount you're going to like to make in this just single movement. And then if I was like to put it in the play that price is recently prices yet. So this is 1:64. So if you have to like to risk $100, you're going to like to make $6,400 in just this simple move. So like this video for showing you all these things. I would appreciate you doing that, and then subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. So if you like to talk about what is probably going to happen next week, so what I'm anticipating for, what I'm expecting for gold to do. Let's just go back to like daily time frame. So from daily time frame, I'll show you guys what I'm expecting, and then on daily time frame now you can see, let me just delete this. And then if you have any question concerning what I just mentioned there, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be willing to like to give a reasoning answer to it. So on daily time frame right now, you can see that price end up breaking this high, and then price does break this high here. You can see this high is here to like to be broken. This high, can you see this high is here to be broken? Because price is very, very, very precise. So on Monday, which is the beginning of next week, I'm expecting Monday to close what in a bearish candle. The reason just because before price can break this, I asked like to opposite candle, which is bearish candle. So for me, a bearish candle, the probability of breaking this high and then going for the next high here. Can you see the next high here? Then for the next high here. So right now, what I'm expecting also is just like price to return back to this order block, and then if you check this order block out, the time frame order block, but you can go like 4 time frame to reduce the order block. And then remember what I told you guys earlier on, once price return back to your higher time frame order block, set that order block as to what's your POI, and then go to lower time frame to find entry. You understand? So once you go to lower time frame, you're going to see a very nice entry that's going to like to give you risk to reward, a higher risk to reward. You understand what I mean? So you can see that this movement end up breaking this high, but it doesn't break this high here. But actually, if you check here also, it was the same movement that broke this high and also this particular swing high here. So this is a very strong order block. So if you have to like to go to like a 4-hour time frame, here. So for our time frame, you can see we don't make use of these anymore. It's these. So there's high probability of price using this one as a liquidity. Then if price tap into this, because a lot of traders they're going to like, oh, these are order block, and they will set up with the order block here, and the price they end up tapping them out, and then immediately price tap them out, we continue going with bullish trend. So that is why we are using this our daily time frame order block. So on daily time frame order block, and also you can even use this, but you have to wait for confirmation. The confirmation I said, if you're like you're going to lower time frame finding a break of structure or what's possible for it, and then setting you up with your entry using the next order block there. So that's just for that. If you don't understand this, comment on the comment section that I should make another video, or if you want me to make video on the particular currency pair you're trading, on how to use order block and all these simple strategy I'm teaching, I'm gonna do that for you. Just mention it on the comment section. I will do it. I promise you that. So that's just for that. And then you can see that these are our daily time frame order blocks. So there's high probability that price is going to break this low here. Once price broke this low, people is going to see the price already goes on the page. Of which price is going to like to break the high again. But this is not actually what a break of structure. If price break this low, because on higher time frame price show that price is going on a bullish time frame. So it's going to end up breaking this high. End up breaking this low and miss a bad. So that's just for that. For both a bullish trend price to turn back to this area. So on Monday, I said there's high probability of the next candle ending upwards in bearish candle. The reason just because this high before price can break this, it has to form what a bearish candle to receive a strength to break this particular high. You understand? So after that price all the way down, it all depends. Or price can be coming all the way down without breaking this, and then getting this break this low, whatever. So and then enter into this other block, and then from here you're going to like to go to lower time frame to find a reasonable entry, like other block or 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes. It all depends. You are 1 minute, so it's going to like to give you a very huge ratio. So if you find this video interesting, click on the like button right now and then subscribe to this channel. So see you in my next video.